Alright, everyone, I've made my decision on what beer we're going to do. Last week we stopped over in Grayling. We stopped by Rolling Oak Brewery. Here's the beer that we've chosen to do. Howdy, howdy, all you beer lovers, and welcome to this edition of McCall's Flask, my fellow beer travelers. If you watch my video from over there at Paddle Hard Brewing Company, I decided to stop by Rolling Oak, and I picked up a 4-pack. And we asked everyone to, what beer should I do from Rolling Oak for the first time? And so this is the one that's been chosen. It's called Get Lucky, and it's at 7%. That's when it was tagged on. Let's show you the can. So Rolling Oak has got a very simple can. This is a 16-ouncer. It says Grayling, brewed in Grayling, and all that. And it's very, very, very simple. You can get on their Facebook and Instagram to get more information. This is, I'm going to consider this a mystery beer. I did not go on their website. I did not ask the beer tendress what this is all about. I just went by the name, Get Lucky. I'm assuming that is like an Irish ale, but it could be a porter, could be a stout, could be a red, could be a brown, because I have not taken the time. And I kind of like that idea that I really don't know what this beer is. So you and I can explore this and call it a mystery beer. It's not wrapped up in a brown paper bag. The only thing we really know about it's the name, and it's 7%. So it's going to be a nice little high alcohol. I've decided to pull out the 25th anniversary of the Michigan's Brewers Guild in 2022. That's when they been going around doing 25 years, and as you know, I'm love going to the Michigan beer festivals that they have going on. So I felt this is an appropriate glass to use this for. If I was outside in my beer garden, I'd be smoking this New World cigar. I really enjoy these. These are really nice smokes. About an hour and a half on the enjoyments, and medium bodied. So we'll put that back in the pocket. Alrighty. So let's get into this curiosity here. Let's pop its top. Let's see what we've got here. Alright. So we're going to pour her into the Michigan Brewers Guild glass and see what kind of colors and all that. Alright, so it's darker. It's kind of looking like a somewhere between a red and a brown. The head on here is a nicer chocolatey style. Let's see how the logo looks in this glass. Get a little more of the beer. Give this a chance. So again, you can see the brownness of the color. Nice and dark. I like it. I think I probably should have bought a few more of these. Should be able to get a little more of this in here. Alright. Perfect on that. Perfect pour. Look at that. Perfect pour. Now we've got it. So, let's take it to our nose. I'm getting a malty, and I'm getting a caramel. That's what we're getting there today. Alright. Looks great. As you know, browns are kind of my favorite. I like a nice red and brown, and kind of a little bit in between, wouldn't you say? Alrighty. Time to take it to our lips and see what we get. Right off, nice roastness to it. Finish off the can. So, nice little roastness to it. Nice little maltiness. It's not about hops. 30 in the IBUs probably. It's not really a hoppy beer. The dominant flavor is the coffee, the roastness. I'm getting a little bit of malt. It's not fruity. It's not sweet. Bitter, a little bit bitter, and I can contribute that to the roastness or the coffee. Real nice. So if you like a roasty coffee flavor, this is going to be good. I'm going to call this a brown. It's not a porter. It's not a stout. So I'm going to call this a brown with a nice little roastness to it. So it's a really good flavored beer. It's got some body. It's filled my mouth out. My mouth is not dry. With the 7% alcohol, I'm assuming that it would have been a little dry. Perfect. If you've never subscribed to my channel, please do so you can go on my adventures here in northern Michigan. There are a couple events actually about 3 events that you should be looking for. The Asparagus Festival, June 7th, over in Empire, Michigan. Wright Brand will make an asparagus beer for that. And they always have really good music, great food, phenomenal event. So you want to go to that. Also, 2 places are celebrating 10 years. HopLot, it's got an event in June. I think it's also on June 7th. It's a Saturday. They're going to celebrate their 10 years, and it's phenomenal. We love HopLot. They again got the second best, voted by USA Today. It would be the beer garden in northern America. So definitely stop by there. And then a week later, Lake Ann Brewery is going to celebrate their 10 years, and I'm going to go over there and enjoy that as well. Mike Moran's going to be playing, so I'll time it so I get over there. Mike is a friend of mine. I really enjoy everything that they do, and he's part of the Suds and Snow capabilities. So some events we've got going on. We've got great beer. It's springtime now, so make it out to the different breweries. Try what's going on. Do a mystery beer once in a while. Try something you've never had, and you'll probably enjoy it, like I'm enjoying this beer here. So I'm glad I was able to go over to Rolling Oak, get a 4-pack, and I've got it here for you to enjoy. So again, please subscribe. I hope you hit the like button on this. I hope you like what's going on. Put in the comments section for me. Write me a comment on what you think the video is. So thank you for stopping by my den here, and we're going to get ready to smoke this good old New World cigar and finish off this great beer. So if you're going to have a beer, please make sure you have a good one.